Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best sump pump for hot tubs, the AgiiMan Pool Cover Pump above ground. Whether you need to remove water quickly from your hot tub, swimming pool, or any above-ground water source, this pump offers a reliable, efficient solution you're going to want to hear about. Right off the bat, the AgiiMan Pool Cover Pump stands out with its impressive flow rate of 850 gallons per hour. That means it can clear water roughly twice as fast as many ordinary pumps on the market. This makes it perfect for anyone needing to drain their hot tub or pool swiftly, without hassle or waiting for hours. Built with a sturdy ABS shell, this pump is designed to withstand tough weather conditions. It's durable and tough enough to handle outdoor use, so you don't have to worry about it failing when you need it most. Its compact size, roughly 5.5 inches long by 4.5 inches wide and high, and a weight of just 2 pounds make it portable and easy to handle. One of the things that really impresses with this pump is its waterproof rating of IPX8, meaning it's made to be fully submerged and operate safely underwater. The four sides of the pump feature mesh screens that allow water to enter from a wide area, helping it pump water more efficiently. The AgiiMan Pool Cover Pump also includes a built-in temperature control core. This safety feature prevents the pump from dry burning if it runs out of water, protecting the motor and extending the pump's life. Speaking of the motor, it's powered by a strong copper core motor that reduces energy consumption and noise while maintaining stable operation. This means you get efficient performance without unnecessary power waste or loud noise disturbing your environment. Compatibility is another strong point. The pump comes with a 16-foot anti-twist drainage hose that fits a 1/2-inch water nozzle, perfect for draining from any pool depth. The 25-foot power cord is a thoughtful addition, giving you plenty of length to safely position the pump away from the water source and electrical outlets, reducing the risk of electric shock. It's designed to run on a standard 110-volt power supply, which is common in many homes. Overall, this pump is a solid mix of power, safety features, and user-friendly design that makes it stand out for pool and hot tub water removal. Whether you want to drain water quickly after cleaning or just keep your hot tub free from excess water buildup, the AgiiMan Pool Cover Pump offers a trustworthy solution. That's all for today's review of the AgiiMan Pool Cover Pump, the best sump pump for hot tubs. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest and detailed product insights. Thanks for watching.